What happens if you don't wash your hair for 30 days? Is it just greasy and gross? Or does it lead to something deeper, something you can't see on the surface? Let's break down exactly what happens week by week when you stop washing your hair entirely, and the results may shock you. The first week, at first, it might not seem so bad. You skip a day, maybe two, your hair starts to feel a little oily, but manageable. But inside your scalp, something is already starting to change. Your sebaceous glands begin to overproduce oil. That oil traps dirt, sweat, and environmental toxins. You may notice your hair starting to clump, separate, or even lose volume. By day 7, your scalp is no longer breathing properly, and that's just the beginning. All right, now week 2. By week 2, Buildup has already officially taken over. Dead skin cells, styling products, pollutants are now sitting in the layers across your scalp. You might start to notice flaking, itching, and honestly, even a foul smell. This isn't just cosmetic, this is actually biological. You're creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, fungus, and inflammation. Week 3. At this point, your hair is no longer absorbing moisture or nutrients. Your hair follicles are actually clogged. Your scalp may feel sore or even sensitive. In some cases, this can even trigger folliculitis, a bacterial infection that leads to redness, pain, and actually temporary hair loss. And if you're thinking, my hair is just adjusting, no, it's not. It's a myth. The scalp does not self-clean. It resets when cared for properly. Week 4. Now you're in the danger zone. Your hair is dull, it's limp, it's lifeless. The scalp is coated in oil, bacteria, and sweat. It's not just unhealthy, it's unhygienic. For many, this is when hair shedding increases dramatically. The longer you go, the more damage you may be doing to your hair's growth cycle. And it doesn't take just 30 days to reach this point. For some people, it actually takes half that. It happens much sooner. But here's the good news. You can reverse the damage. It starts with one step. Clean your scalp the right way with professional grade products that remove buildup without stripping your natural oils. Avoid harsh, cheap shampoos, cheap fixes, and reset your routine the right way. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to wash your hair every single day, but letting it go for weeks, that really is just not natural. That's just neglect. If you care about your hair, your confidence, and your scalp health, take care of it. Because what's happening under the surface, it's actually a lot more serious than you think. If you want to detox your hair the right way, and if you want to use the right products, I literally have amazing hair products for your scalp health. I have a really, really high-end shampoo and conditioner, and I have 3 of them. And they are truly incredible, loaded with really, really good quality ingredients that are healthy for your scalp. So stop buying into all these non-experts telling you don't wash your hair for 5 years or 30 days, whatever it is. I'm telling you, it actually can have the opposite effect. I'm also curious to know what you think about this, because I know a lot of you have had success stories by not washing your hair. So let me know your comments and your thoughts down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.